Hello and welcome to Crush Marketing. In today's video we're going to talk about copywriting and how it is a skill you must have or learn. We all know the benefits of having great sales copy. We know that effective sales copy is the single thing that has the most effect on how much money we make, and ultimately, if we make any money at all. You know what I used to hate most about having to deal with copywriting? It's being faced with a blank page and not knowing where to start. And I hated when I felt that what I was writing was lame. I found it exhausting when I had to put in so much time and effort. And my heart sank when I read it back and I wasn't really sure whether I'd done a very good job. The ultimate copywriting formula puts a stop to all that. You no longer have to dread coming up with sales and marketing messages. You can quickly and easily produce professional level copy that you can have complete confidence in, even if you have no writing skills or experience. If you want to get an online business running, build it as fast as you can, and make as much money as possible, there's one thing you need above all else. And that's copywriting. To make money online, you need to create offers and get them in front of people. That might be offering a lead magnet on a capture page, selling your own product, or marketing someone else's product as an affiliate. Basically, if you are creating any kind of message asking someone to take any form of action, you need sales copy. It could be asking for an opt-in. It could be asking for a sale. It could be asking your prospects to visit an affiliate link. It could be via email or social media, or on a web page. You need access to effective copywriting. People usually have one of two reactions to this. They think they can't afford a professional copywriter, and they may well be right. A pro copywriter is costly. And they think that copywriting is an elite skill that only a select few are born with. This time, they're wrong. The truth is, anyone can produce effective sales copy, if they are shown how, and given a good formula to work with. Armed with a good copywriting formula, and the knowledge of how to use it, you can be creating effective, professional level sales copy today. And that's exactly what you will discover in the ultimate copywriting formula. Click the first link in the description to find out more. Thank you for watching today's video. Subscribe for future updates.